So, law enforcement then?
Yes, sir.
When you got your position, you swore an oath to uphold the U.S. Constitution and the state Constitution.
Yes, sir.
Did you swear an oath to uphold judge's orders?
I do what I'm told to do.
Ah.
Okay?
No, you didn't swear that oath. So you did swear an oath to the Constitution.
Don't put words in my mouth, man.
Pretty sure they're going to violate his rights here this morning. Hopefully they don't arrest him.
All y'all together?
I'm not going in.
Well, I'm just gonna say, we can't allow anybody that doesn't have business in. That's per Chief Justice Feasel.
So you're not allowing witnesses in? Because as far as a legal venue goes, there has to be peer witnesses. You can't have a court full of state employees as witnesses. So this is the witnesses for the event.
You can take that up to Chief Justice Feasel. If you get subpoenaed, and
How do we do that?
give her a call.
Yeah, the number?
That's their office. No, I don't.
Did you guys get the number for me?
I'm probably gonna go find it.
According to both the federal and the North Carolina Constitution, the courts are required to be open to the public.
Again, you can take that up with her office.
So are you stating that the
Again, you can take it up with her in her office.
okay? So the judge's order supersedes state law.
Well, she is under the judicial system, so
She is under the
she is
judicial
his
system.
judicial.
Yeah, I think it's Article 1, Section 18 of the North Carolina Constitution. Did you work here, right?
Yes, sir.
In what capacity?
I'm
Oath of
available.
office. Okay.
I'm here to do a job.
Well, your oath of office is public record. I mean, it's in the Constitution, like what your oath of office is, and it says nothing about swearing an oath of an allegiance to a local judge. You swore an oath to uphold the Constitution of the state and of the federal government,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
And the state laws. And the judicial do not make laws.
Okay.
I'd like to see it for myself anyway.
Okay, well, get somebody.
Yeah. Whew. And we got the local judge that they think they can violate their oaths to the Constitution and trample on the rights of the people. And it seems like the guys here, the deputy at least, doesn't want to honor his oath. He wants to follow some judge's order rather than his oath to the Constitution, which means that he's a traitor.
He's a sergeant to boot.
Yeah.
Should know better.
Paycheck to paycheck, right?
Means it's treason.
Anything for money.
Violating your oath of office is actually a felony.
Only mercenary. That pension.
Isn't treason a little higher than a felony? No.
Yeah, treason is higher than a felony, but you throw out the word treason and they just kind of roll their eyes and they don't know what that means. They don't realize that the penalty for that is death. We're asking people to call and demand that the court be open pursuant to the U.S. Constitution and the North Carolina Constitution, Article 1, Section 18. The courts are required to be open. And if they're not allowing witnesses in or the public to come in and view this proceeding, then it's a secret and unlawful proceeding. I use these as assistive technology, so I need them to be an equal functioning member of society. Demanding equal access to society. I said I use my devices as assistive technology, so I need them in daily life to be a functioning equal member of society. So I'm demanding equal access to the courts.
Right. Did you give whatever the judge approved for you to bring in?
Whatever the judge is saying is contrary to the Constitution and the Emergency Disabilities Act. So
Simple yes or no question.
I'm telling you, I want equal access to the courts. So either you're gonna let me in or you're not gonna let me in.
What I'm saying is, we can assist you with what you need.
But that's not what the ADA
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to him.
I don't care who you're talking to. But I'm not required to accept whatever you're offering as assistance.
Okay, well, if you refuse
According
to
to
go
federal-
in,
according to federal law.
go in without your devices, then that's
No,
on you.
I want to go in. I want equal access. If you're saying I cannot go in,
You can talk to your attorney. That's why he's here.
That's why
you.
Your
Are you
attorney's right there.
No, he's here to help me with
We
criminal
have
matters.
nothing else to say. There's a.
Okay, so are you gonna allow me access to the courts?
They're clearly not gonna let you in with your stuff on.
All right, so you're not gonna allow me access to the courts right now. I have a court date. I'm here acting in good faith to do the business of the court.
We're going to allow you in without your devices.
Okay,
If we had a
what's your name?
prosthetic leg, we have to leave it out here.
Hold on, guys. What's your name?
Who are you asking?
You.
I'm Sergeant Doom.
Doom? Okay.
Doom.
And the other-
D-O-O-E on my.
Doom. All right.
Mike,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in the courtroom.
Okay.
It's kind of.
All right.
See what's going on there.
All right. I'm still trying to get access.
Sir, at this point, when they can talk to you, we're not responding to anything they say unless you're out here.
All right.
You're not going anywhere.
So you're physically not allowing me in. So we got Doom, and what's the other name? You. Okay. So I got everybody's name then. What's your name? Gibbs. Okay. Gibbs, Doom, and for the other officer's names?
I'm Deputy Long.
Long. Okay.
We're gonna get a piece of paper from the judge.
Yeah, I gotta go back. Cell phones, anything like
No,
that?
no medals, no, not keys.
So we have Doom,
Yeah, the Constitution.
Doom, Gibbs, Long, and who else? More?
He's blind.
Yeah.
I thought it was you.
Alright, so you're not
He's
gonna...
one
I ain't gonna disrespect this veteran.
Alright, so you guys are clear
I'm allowed
that
to
you
do
are
that.
trampling on the Constitution and disability rights, meaning your qualified immunity is gone. This judge is not going to protect you. He's gonna
That's how
throw
you want to construe it, then
He's
yes.
gonna throw you under the bus.
Okay.
Like,
It's
you guys
law.
you are violating the Constitution,
What you here for, man?
both the state and federal, and state and federal
Cell
law.
phone, anything on you? Okay, go ahead.
So I'm here to do business in the court, and you are preventing me access.
Alright, we're not gonna block his door. That's what we're not gonna do.
Alright, you want us around the way?
No, I don't. I want you back out that way if you're not coming to the courtroom.
Who are you?
If you're not coming, I'm Captain Bull.
Yeah, I mean, I used to be an order follower. I did horrible
That's
things.
Simplify
all
Matt
over
right
the
there.
military. I tortured people. I terrorized people. I killed people. Like them preventing me access to the courts isn't to that level. But are they going to use violence? You know, if the judge says, okay, throw him to the ground, put him in handcuffs, kidnap him, they probably will.
Yep. That's what they're there for.
Because
And
they're
now
not
later
using their
they
moral
put
conscience.
you on blast.
They're not thinking as a human being. They're thinking as an order follower. Like, well, if I don't follow orders, I'll lose my job.
Here's your oath. I do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office on which I have about to enter. So help me God.
That was
So,
his oath.
your oath, the very first thing you swore to defend was the Constitution. So what is y'all excuse now?
Not see, following orders.
The equal rights to this facility with this assistive devices, whether the judge says so or not. That is the supreme law of the land. Y'all have messed up severely.
They're about to arrest me for not complying to the
Guaranteed.
I don't know if you're gonna allow me to keep this.
I'll stand right here.
You actually trying to get education?
Hey guys.
Fucking asshole, ain't you? Get out my way, then.
Yep. Deputies are preventing me from appearing. So I'm still here intending to appear before the court. So I've been denied access. I'm here to do the business of the court, acting in good faith. So if you want to arrest me because I'm at court, then that's on you. But I'm here to do the business of the court. I'm here to go to court.
We want to know if going in naked is an option. Can he go in naked as an option?
Watch the Nazis.
Can he go in as
Man.
Breaking the oath and breaking the Constitution. The first oath they took to protect our Constitution.
One of the biggest lawsuits y'all getting ready to have, guys.
Are you stripping him of it? But that's okay to carry, like an old-fashioned blind man?
What if he was in the wheelchair? Shame on the Nazis.
I'm about to tackle the officer.
Shame on the Nazis. Shame on y'all. Go y'all broke y'all's oath. You're not protecting the Constitution. Shame on every one of you. Every one of you lost your
You might be allowed to go in
every
naked.
one of you lost your
You
dignity.
can see the judge naked, like a man.
What was he arrested for?
He was arrested for wanting to wear his assisted equipment into the courtroom so he could fully understand the proceedings against him.
But he didn't wear them in there. That's what I don't understand.
Well,
He never crossed a threshold with them on.
Well,
How can he
well,
be
he's in
arrested?
contempt of court because he didn't show up in court.
Oh. Okay.
He stood out here. Why aren't you in the courtroom with your attorney?
Okay. Okay. Makes sense now. What'd you say?
A call for action.
What is that?
Oh, so the other thing is we have a phone number for the detention facility. If people could call in and ask about if they're going to take away his assistive devices, because last time he was tortured in a cell in the Rockingham County, county jail.
Well,
and-
last time they threw them out in the street.
Yeah, well, exactly afterwards. But the nurse was saying that they don't need to take away his sunglasses or other things that also bring on debilitating migraines. And so hopefully we can get a call in.
Do you know?
All right, the number for the jail is 336-634-3236. And again, that's 336-634-3236. That's the Rockingham County Jail.
So Mike was arrested on the courthouse steps by the same people who were preventing him from entering the courthouse. Why was he arrested? The claim was failure to appear. So they arrested him for failure to appear on the steps of a courthouse while not letting him enter. Are you hearing this? This is insanity. So they didn't let him go to his bench trial. So they did not hear that. He tried to gain access. He stood on his rights. You can look up the Americans with Disabilities Act, and the North Carolina Disabilities Protection laws, North Carolina Disability Protection laws. The bond is currently set for $50,000 cash. And, hold on, it gets worse, $50,000 cash. And if he makes the bond, if we pay that, which we're not going to, if we do, they will keep him, he's supposed to stay in his house. What? So I guess that's some kind of like monitoring system. Yeah. What is going on? What is going on? So now my question is, where are the checks and balances? Yes, it's a $50,000 ransom. $50,000 ransom.